So this is the new ALPAKA Flight Tote and I've been using it for a few weeks now. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what I like and I don't like about this bag. Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So I'm always into tote bags and this is my latest addition to my collection and it's called the Flight Tote in medium size. So according to their website, this Flight Tote actually comes in two sizes, large and also medium. And because I already have a large tote from another brand, so I wanted a medium size from ALPAKA just to try it out and see if I like it or not. Now this Flight Tote comes in two colors, green and also black. The green looked quite interesting in their promotional materials, in their social media content, so I thought I wanted to try it. But the moment I got it, I realized that it's actually not as bright green as what I see in their photos, which can be good or bad to you or to me. I don't know. If in case you're into like bright green, then this might not be the one for you. After using a few weeks, I realized that I actually prefer it to be in this tone of green so that it's not too popping to catch attention. So yeah, the color wise, I feel it's nice. But after using a few weeks, I also feel like I want to try the black one. You know what I mean? Because there's never enough tote for my collection. Now let's look at the exterior and also the interior materials. Now on the outside, it's in green and the material is Exoflux 400D ripstop nylon. And on the inside, it's somewhat light olive cream white-ish grey, I would say, according to what I can see with my own eyes. And the material is Exoflux X Grid 150D ripstop polyester. Now, my usage for this is very simple. It's my everyday carry whereby I would carry my 14-inch MacBook Pro because it has a MacBook Pro pocket on one side with a secure mesh velcro so it doesn't fall out. And on the other side, there are two little pockets, and these pockets I usually would put my power bank or my sunglasses case or my SD card reader or any other accessories that I can put inside here, okay? Now, other than that, the big compartment in the middle, in between my MacBook and also the two little pockets, I sometimes put in my camera when I want to bring it out to shoot stuff, or I would put a jacket if I want to bring it for a walk, or maybe I want to go to the cinema and stuff like that. There are also two more pockets on the outside. So on the front, there is this pocket which is somewhat sealed using magnets, and you can put random stuff like your AirPods or things that you wanna grab very quickly. You can put it on this outside pocket, and inside this front pocket there is also a key tether for you to hook onto your car keys, your house keys or whatever key, and then you can push it back inside to the front pocket. Now at the back, there is also a very similar pocket, so you can put more private stuff, for example your cash, or if you're bringing it to travel, you can put your passport or your boarding pass and stuff like that. So why do I say travel? It's because they have this luggage pass-through at the back here, so you can actually slip it onto your luggage carrying holder, so you don't have to carry this when you're traveling or when you're in the airport pulling or pushing your luggage around. Now on the inside, there's also a secret pocket on the side, and that's actually for your water bottle. I find it very convenient. My other tote bag actually has pockets on the left and right side on the outside to put water bottles. So when I got this, I was like, oh, they don't have a water bottle pocket. And then I realized they actually have it inside, but it's only one side, not both sides, okay? And the closure of this thing is also with a zip. I believe it's a YKK zip, so it's very secure. Your things will not drop out, and when you're carrying it, it feels very secure. Now, the most important part, what I like and I don't like about it. Let's start with three things that I like about this bag. The first one is this handle. It's a woven handle. So it feels very soft and also very comfortable. It's also quite wide, so when you're carrying it on your shoulder, you won't feel pain because it's very comfortable, and also it is able to support the weight that you have put into your bag. So that's the first thing. Now the second thing that I like about it is it has this front pocket and also the back pocket for you to put things that I mentioned just now for you to access quickly. The third thing is basically the overall size and material that they are using. I feel is very soft, very comfortable to use, and it also doesn't catch much attention. That's a very good point, especially when you're traveling outside, okay? Now, one thing, actually two things that I don't like about it. Number one, the exterior pockets on the front and also at the back. It's not wide enough, okay? So it's a little bit hard for my hands to go in to grab things because it's very tight. So I need to wiggle my hand inside in order to actually grab something. And once I grab something, it's very hard for my hand to come out because it's kind of tight. Same goes to the pocket at the back, okay? So that's one thing. Second thing is the water bottle on the inside. I actually prefer it on the outside because water bottle tend to spill. If you fill in your water too much, it might actually spill a little bit, and it might actually spill into the internal compartments. So if you have it outside, I feel it's safer, at least for me, because I always forget to tightly close and also seal my water bottle after I'm done drinking. So that's probably my own issue. It might not be an issue for you, but the front and back pocket opening, that is a real issue. So if you're planning to get a tote for your everyday carry, and also if you want to bring it out to travel, you can probably consider this one, the ALPAKA Flight Tote, in large or also medium. So this one in medium size, which can fit a 14-inch MacBook Pro, the price is 389 ringgit. Of course, the large one might cost a little bit more. Let me check. It is 420 ringgit. So it depends whether you want to, put in a little bit more, about 40 to 50 ringgit just for the extra size to carry more things. Else, you can, just keep and use this medium size, which I feel is very nicely sized. So that's a quick video of me sharing with you my experience and also what I like and don't like about the ALPAKA Flight Tote in medium size, okay? If you love videos like this, or if you love gadgets, bags, everyday carry, don't forget to follow this channel, subscribe, click on the button below this video, and also share this video with your friends if you have friends who love bags. Follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.